4,500 pounds. I'm going to close the bypass valve. And I only turned the compressor off so I could talk. You would leave that running and you would open up your two banks. All right, so now everything's full. We filled up off of bank 1, off of bank 2. We filled up off the compressor. Again, we did from bank 1 till they were equalized. Then we went to from bank 2 till they were equalized. And then when we had to switch over to compressor, we made sure all of these were closed. We cracked open the bypass valve. The jet compressor came on automatically. Continued to fill up until it got to 4,500 pounds. Once everything was full, again, we closed the bypass. We closed the fill valve. We're going to close the black valve for the fill station number 1. We're going to close the bottle. We're going to open up the brass bleeder slowly because it's very loud. And then we're going to close it. Bottle's filled up to 4,500 pounds, and it's ready to go back on the truck.